The petition for dissolution of marriage is the formal document that begins the divorce process. This is where the petitioner requests the court to dissolve the marriage. Below is a step-by-step guide to completing this form. Caption. Fill out the caption as explained in previous sections, including the judicial circuit number, county, petitioner's name, and respondent's name. 2. Beneath the caption, you'll find the title of the document, followed by the body of the petition. Third paragraph 1, residency requirement. Enter your full legal name as the petitioner. Check the box indicating that you, the petitioner, have lived in Florida for at least 6 months prior to filing the petition. Fourth paragraph 2, military status. This section pertains to the military status of the respondent. Check the box indicating that the respondent is not a member of the military service. If the respondent is in the military, you must obtain documentation of their military status. The military must be notified of the pending divorce by providing a copy of the marriage certificate and a copy of the final judgment once the divorce is completed. Paragraph 5, marriage history. Provide details about your marriage, including the date of marriage, the date of separation, and the location of the marriage, state, county, and country. Check the box if the date provided is approximate. Sixth, paragraph 4, children of the marriage. This section gathers information about any children born of the marriage or pregnancies. Select the appropriate boxes. Box A, check if the petitioner is pregnant and provide the due date if applicable. Box B, check if the respondent, wife, is pregnant and provide the due date if applicable. Box C, the most common scenario in an uncontested divorce. Check this box to list the names and birth dates of any minor children born to or adopted by both parties. 7. Below box C, write the full name and birth date of each child. If there are no children, leave this section blank or follow your local court's instructions. This document serves as the foundation for your case. Be sure to take your time and ensure all details, particularly dates and child information, are accurate. Mistakes here could lead to delays later in the process. Paragraph D, children conceived during the marriage, not common to both parties. If any children were conceived during the marriage but are not common to both parties, you must inform the court by completing this section. List the birth parents and their addresses on the lines provided beneath this section. Paragraph E, dependent children over 18. If you have children over 18 years old who are common to both parties and are dependent on you due to a mental or physical disability, include their information in this section if applicable. Paragraph 5, financial affidavit. Select only one option. Both parties must complete a financial affidavit, and it is recommended that this be filed with your paperwork. Be sure to check the corresponding box to confirm this requirement. Paragraph 6, Uniform Child Custody Jurisdiction and Enforcement Act Affidavit, UCCJEA. Confirm that you have filed the required UCCJEA form with your paperwork by checking the appropriate box. Paragraph 7, Notice of Social Security Number. You must file a Notice of Social Security Number with the court. Paragraph 8, choose one option. Select only one option in this paragraph. Letter A is the most common scenario. If letter B applies, contact your coach for further guidance. Section 2, Spousal Support, Alimony. In an uncontested divorce, it is typical for the petitioner to permanently waive their rights to alimony. If you are waiving alimony, check the appropriate box indicating this choice. If you are not waiving alimony, proceed to paragraph 2. We recommend scheduling a coaching call to review paragraphs 2 through 4 before completing this section. Section 3, Parenting Plan, Parental Responsibility, and Time Sharing. Indicate with whom the children will reside. Select the line that best fits your situation. If you choose line B, provide supporting details for your request. Parenting Plan and Time Sharing. In most uncontested divorces, the parenting plan includes shared parental responsibility and time sharing with the minor children. Use the standard parenting plan provided in your document order list, document number 17. On paragraph 3 of the parenting plan section, Select line A and indicate that you have agreed to the plan. Complete lines B and C to finalize your agreement. On paragraph 4, explain why the plan is in the best interest of the children. Section 4, child support. Select all applicable boxes. For most uncontested divorces, check box 1 and subline B. If paragraphs 2 through 3 apply to your case, schedule a coaching call before completing this section. On paragraph 4, check the box requesting that either the respondent or petitioner provide medical and dental insurance, especially if it's already available through employer coverage. This will be reflected in the Child Support Guideline Worksheet, which we will cover in a separate section. On paragraph 5, request that uninsured medical and dental expenses be equally divided by both spouses, unless you have agreed to a different arrangement. Check the box that best fits your situation. On paragraph 6, if life insurance coverage is desired and the respondent should pay for it, check this box. Alternatively, this coverage can be paid by the higher earning party, even if they are not responsible for child support. Section 5. Other requests. If the wife is the petitioner or respondent and wishes to resume her former name, list it in this section. Use paragraph 2 to detail any additional relief you are requesting. Section 6. Request. Summarize your request for the dissolution of marriage by checking the appropriate boxes. Boxes 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are typically selected. If alimony has been agreed upon, be sure to check that box as well. This is the final page of the petition, and it requires a notary public. Set this document aside for now, as you'll sign all documents in your packet that require notarization at the same time. Be sure to complete the non-lawyer section, and once done, this document will be complete. Final notes. The goal of an uncontested divorce is to simplify the process and avoid complex demands. If you are seeking extensive requests or modifications, an uncontested divorce may not be the right choice, unless both parties agree to those demands. If you have any questions or need clarification, we recommend contacting your coach or scheduling a review call for specific sections.